personalized return address labels bring unique modern flair to any envelope. They express your personality and instantly bring a smile to the recipient. Fortunately, creating quality personalized products has never been easier. Just choose a template and customize your product with your name and address and anything else that you want to add. The labels will be mailed directly to your door. You can do it from any device, anytime, anywhere. No download of specialized software is required. Choose from a dozen great pre-designed address labels. One for every month. Celebrate the arrival of spring. Wish your friends good luck in March. Give a fright in October. And, of course, spread joy in December. Email is great and has its place. But it can never replace a handwritten letter or card that has that extra touch. See the link to the store in the description below.